Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Jeremiah, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through my personal portfolio website where I showcase what I do, what I've built, and how I can help you or your business grow with technology. So, the website is built using React, Nextjs framework, and a table for the mini database that I use in collecting informations and those that want to reach me. So this is the home page, which clearly describes my mission and what I do. So scrolling through the home page, you get to the skills section of the home page where my skills are listed. I am skilled in React, Nextjs, Node.js for the server side engine, and MySQL database, Tailwind CSS for styling the page. I also have done some bash scripting and technical support. I have a technical support background. I've also done things using C# language to build common terminal applications. I also work with Git and GitHub as a tool to manage my code and collaborate with others. So I also have the project section, which showcase my project that I've worked on, not all, but a few of them. Most of them, it's the Numblight. Numblight is a trading platform that users will invest with traders and earn. It's a web application that allows users to connect with traders via their performance and invest in their strategies. I was responsible for the front end admin section development, creating a user-friendly interface and integration with the backend APIs. That's for the project. The project is not currently live, but as soon as it's live, I'm going to update the link in my portfolio so that everyone can view it. I've also built a full-blown return missionary API for managing missionary data like their profiles, their assignments, and their reports. Also, the weather app and user interface. So I'm currently working on the footer section and other sections of the app. So for each of the project, it's a link to more information about our project. So if I click the link, if I click the project, I'll be directed to full information about that project. So I think so this is everything you have to know about the particular project. So the project, each project is a dynamic route. So I'll show you the code as soon as possible, but then I just want you guys to understand the dynamic nature of it. So if I go back and click on any of the project, it takes me to this page, which automatically takes information of a particular project and display its content dynamically. So that's for the project section. I also have an about contact section where users can contact me. Yeah. So this is a contact section. Though I've not really finished the slide, but I've decided to push it so that I can continuously working on it. Is the everything here is currently validated using Zod, and the information is sent using functions from a table, where I can store this information in a table. A table is a lightweight database kind of application where I can actually store information in a table-like manner, like a spreadsheet. That's for Airtable. You can Google it if you want to know more about Airtable. And then I also have the blog session. I I personally decided to blog the blog session, the blog page, so as to test my ability of route authentication and authorization. So you can just go through it through the link. So I'll now walk through the code for it. So in Nextjs, folders are used as route structures. The folder structure is how the routing is done. So if you look at the folder structure, the app is the root folder or for the project, and the pages.tss is under the app is the home page. So this for everything in the home page. You can get the link to the project in my GitHub repository. I'll be posting it in the description down below. So I also have the layout for each of the group. Now, when a bracket, a closing and opening and closing bracket is used in Nextjs, it's called a route group. So it means all routes under that folder, they are under the same group and they can share a similar layout for it. So for example, if you take a look at this slide, the login has a different layout. So if you can see, there is no navigation in the login, so it's a different layout on its own. Because why the login, the website and the auth have different groups for it. So the website carries the about section, about page, the blog, the contact, the project, which shares this similar layout, while the login page has a different layout. So you can read more in nextjs.com to know more about it. So for the functions I created, actions, this is the actions that I use in saving the information for the users. And it is when the user enter the information correctly and if the information is saved to a table, the message is displayed. Message received successfully, will get back to you soon. So let me just quickly do that and show you in a table. Okay, I'll input my informations. If I send it this way, the validation for it that you must include at least 5 characters for the message you are sending. So I can say, I want to work with you. I have a project for When I send it, fail to submit form, please try again. So this is a feedback, and this happened because there is no network connection for it. So right now, let me try and send the message again. Message received successfully. We'll get back to you soon. So that's it. So for this project, I have a lot that I've not yet done. For the blog page, I've not yet implemented the alt session and the contact page, also the about page. I've not also done anything on it, but it's simple. I can actually come back to it. So I decided not to complete it now, so that whoever is watching this video after this time can check if I've actually come back to it and reach out to me on why I haven't come back to it. Thank you very much for your time.